Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Thank you for watching. Today we are about to experience the Dubai fountain. I'm going to show you guys this amazing look, but make sure you like, share, subscribe before we begin. Guys, we are heading over so we can see the Dubai fountain show. I've seen it before. It's actually quite gorgeous, quite amazing. So this won't be a long video, so I won't hold you guys too long. But if you ever come to Dubai, the Dubai fountain is located right outside the Dubai Mall. So when you come, you can get you some shopping done, and then you can turn around and you can come out and catch a show at nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoy the show, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the Dubai fountain show today. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. You guys have a great night. Peace.